Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both buds and the case have some charge, and you have the original cable. Open Settings and forget the AirPods to clear pairing conflicts. This forces a fresh connection. Next, run simple diagnostics, one bud at a time, so you isolate faults. Make sure to visually inspect ear tips and speaker meshes. Debris often causes muffled sound. Once done, reinsert tips and note which bud shows the issue, so you know whether to proceed to deeper fixes. You now perform a full reset and firmware verification because many elusive bugs clear that way. Place both buds in the case, hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. This clears paired profiles and cached errors. Pair to your iPhone and keep them nearby for 5–10 minutes to let firmware push through. While paired, test ANC, transparency, and ear detection with one bud removed, so you can identify sensor or software failures before opening hardware options. Finish by addressing hardware replacements and escalation. If sound/signals fail but firmware and resets passed, swap ear tips and clean or replace the mesh. Small parts often fix sound issues. Use official parts when possible. For water exposure, hinge problems, or persistent connection dropouts, contact Apple or an authorized repair. Don't attempt battery surgery. If things still go wrong, make sure to test the AirPods with a different device to rule out phone or OS-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.